Good morning. My name is Nabin Tamang. I am 20 years old. I am unmarried. My education level is SLC pass. My religion is Buddhist. I have 5 years experience as grill and barbecue and still working in Bojini Resort. I want to come foreign employment to earn money and support to my family. Now I am going to prepare grilled chicken with butter lemon sauce. To prepare grilled chicken with butter lemon sauce, we need olive oil, flour, lemon, coriander, garlic, butter, chicken breast, soya sauce, black pepper, salt and oregano. For the marination of the chicken, we need lemon, olive oil, soya sauce and salt and black pepper. 1 teaspoon soya sauce, olive oil, lemon, salt, black pepper. Now I am going to mix it. Now I am going to add coriander. For the butter lemon sauce, for the plating of grilled chicken, this is a grilled chicken with butter lemon sauce. Thank you.